Hello everyone and welcome to the JB Edit and welcome to yet another episode of Reviews by JB. So today we have a very affordable yet a very nice product. It is the Wadi Herbals Aloe Vera Deep Pore Cleansing Milk. I got my hands on this almost a month back and I have been using it religiously since the time I got it. And since the day I have been using it, I have been blown away by how good this is. This is a 300 ml pack and it retails for just 195 rupees. The MRP of this is 195 rupees, but you can always get this on a discount on Amazon. So it is from the company Wadi Herbals. It is a cleansing milk and it has very tall claims. So it says that it is a dual purpose lotion. It cleanses and moisturizes your face simultaneously. Enriched with the goodness of aloe vera and lemon, this penetrates deep into the skin's pores and effectively cleanses your face, ridding it of dirt and makeup without stealing its moisture. You are left feeling and looking truly clean and fresh. So in today's world where we live in a very polluted environment, there is a huge importance of a good cleanser in our lives. Because of the dirt and grime that collects on our face daily, it is important that we cleanse our face nicely before we go to bed so that our skin can rejuvenate during the night. So I got this as a night cleanser and to remove my very hard makeup. I have been putting on makeup regularly these days and I needed a cleanser that would not strip my face of its moisture yet cleanse my face nicely. I used to use micellar waters before, but I feel that they sting my face. I have a very sensitive dry sort of skin. Of course there are more gentler micellar waters like the Bioderma Sensibio, but that is very expensive and I do double cleansing. So I needed something inexpensive and also good that could help me in cleansing and removing my makeup. So I got this one. I'll quickly read out the ingredients of this one. So it has steam distilled aloe vera extract, lemon peel extract, coconut oil derivative, pure rose water, jojoba oil, organic honey and water. So it has all good ingredients in this. It does not have parabens, silicones or mineral oils in it, which is a very good thing. So the way I use it is I take a coin-sized amount of it and massage it for 2 to 3 minutes on my skin, letting all my makeup emulsify with the lotion or with the cleanser. It is a milky cleanser, so it does not strip my face of the essential oils and my skin feels squeaky clean. Sometimes I do not even feel the need to double cleanse my skin because it cleans my skin really well. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the product really quickly. The first pro of the product is that it does not contain any parabens, silicones or mineral oils. So if you are someone who does not like all of these ingredients in your skincare, then it is a great product for you. The second pros of the product is that it is a herbal product and it has all herbal ingredients. It has good ingredients like coconut oil, aloe vera, lemon extract and jojoba oil, rose extract, honey, etc. So all of the ingredients in this product are very good for the skin, and if you are from the dry or sensitive skin type, you would definitely like this. The third pro of the product is the price. So the quantity that you get versus the price of the product is really good. So if you are on a budget or otherwise also if you are looking for a good cleanser that is effective yet does not break your bank, then this is the product for you. It is a very good product for the price. The fourth pros of the product is that it has aloe vera and lemon peel extract. So both of these ingredients are very good for the skin. So aloe vera is known to treat acne prone skin and lemon is known for its depigmentation and anti-tan properties. So if you are from the acne prone family or if you have pigmentation on your skin, this could help you a little bit if not much. So it has two good ingredients in it like aloe vera and lemon peel extract, which goes in favor of the product. So there are a few things that I do not like about the product. So let's quickly talk about the cons of the product. The first thing that I did not like about the product is its fragrance. So it has a very strong lemony fragrance in it. The fragrance is so strong and so potent, it almost feels like a room freshener. So if you are someone who does not like fragrance in your skincare, you would definitely not like this, because it has a very strong fragrance to the point that it almost feels annoying and takes away from the pleasure of using the product. So yeah, that's the biggest con of the product. The second con of the product is the packaging of the product. So this is a 300 ml bottle and it does not come in a squeezy top, a pump top. So it comes in a top like this and you have to pour or squeeze out the contents of it. It makes it inconvenient to use the product. I wish they had a pump or squeezy top packaging. That would make it a lot easier to use this product. The third con of the product is the two ingredients, aloe vera and lemon. I know I'm contradicting myself by including the two ingredients in the pros as well as in the cons, but hear me out. So aloe vera and lemon both are photosensitive ingredients and they could make your skin photosensitive if used in the long run, and lemon is also not very good for very sensitive skin. So if you do not like any of these ingredients in your skincare, then you should possibly stay away from this. Apart from these three cons, I do not see any other con in the product. I have been using this product since over a month now and I absolutely enjoy using this. It has made my makeup removing experience a lot better. So if I were to rate this product out of 5, I would give this a 4. The 1 point would go because of its very strong smell. I'm not someone who enjoys very strong smell in my skincare. I mean, a little bit of smell does not do any harm, but this one has a very potent and room freshener sort of smell, which I do not like. Otherwise, it's a very great product and I have been enjoying it. So coming to if I would repurchase this product, I would definitely repurchase this product. It is an excellent cleanser and it is very affordable. It does not bite my pocket, and for removing my makeup I do not need something very expensive. So yes, I would definitely repurchase the product. So that was all for this review episode. I hope you liked this video. In case you would want me to review any other product, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please do consider subscribing to the channel if you like my content. And on that note, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.